Hey, what's up, besties? It's your girl E Michelle, and I'm back with another video. Sorry it's another card video, but I received my Erin Condren box today and I'm super excited to open it up. So if you guys want to see what's inside of the summer Erin Condren surprise box, then stay tuned. Alright, you guys, so here is the box. Like I said, I just got it at work and I'm like super excited. I'm like, let me open this up right now. So here we go. And on there it says, be a pineapple, stand tall, wear a crown, and be sweet on the inside. And then there's the card. It says summer seasonal surprise box. Hello sunshine, let the unboxing begin. If this is your first box, blah blah blah. Want to win the next box? Upload an original unboxing video on YouTube by the 30th. Blah blah blah. You'll be entered in for a free one. Cool. So I've already kind of seen this stuff, but I was like, I want to feel it for myself and see it for myself. So this is what I was excited about when I saw the sneak peek from Jen Plans. A tumbler. Now if y'all know me, I am in love with cups. Like, I love all kinds of cups. My dad just bought me a cup because I said I needed one, and now I have another one. I don't think this is an insulated type one. It does say hand wash only inside, and it's not microwavable safe, do not freeze, BPA free plastic. Okay, not recommended for hot liquids. So this is definitely just for the summertime, but I love those types of cups to sit at my desk and put lots of ice in. I think that's cute. Okay, let's get into this side. I love how they have so much bubble wrap to protect everything. Okay, so it looks like this is an eyeglass case of some sort. Okay, and it says hello sunshine. Let's see what's inside. Doing this with one hand is like a little difficult. The material is like kind of like that velvety feel, so it has a really nice feel to it, very sturdy. And inside it just has Erin Condren, and then this little Erin Condren, the Century Circles wipes inside of there, so that's pretty cool. Like that. Okay, then we have the colorful markers. Those are cute. And it has two sides to it. One is the fine point, and then the other side has, like, I guess the medium point. So that's cool. I'm not gonna open those up right now. Then we have these elastic hair ties, which I think I've been seeing people use these like to tie up their sticker books. I would try to see how I would use these, because I don't know if I trust these in my hair to like stay with all that thickness, but we'll see. And then we have a page of stickers. Those are cute, and I love that iridescent feel. It reminds me of the cover that they came out with last year that I had to have, that I didn't get the surprise box, but I got the cover from someone. And then this just looks like a pineapple notepad of some sort. I wonder if there's sticky notes. I don't know. That's cute. I'm gonna put that on my desk. And then we have a jot your thoughts in like a journal. Okay, yeah, it's a journal with lined pages, and it says be a pineapple, stand tall, and wear your crown, and be sweet on the inside. That is cute. So that's everything that came in the surprise box this time. I think that the only thing I wish that they would have gave me was a cover. Like, I feel like a cover should kind of be standard for these, only because, I mean, I would love a cover, like a new cover every time, every season, just because. So that's just my own thing. But yeah, so here is the box. I'm trying to set everything up so it looks all nice and stuff. So yeah, I am a happy planner girl, but I am always an EC girl at heart. I just love everything about Erin Condren. I just think it's so awesome, and she makes some really cute designs. So here's everything that came in there. Let me know what you guys think down below, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Mwah! Okay, bye.